What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Cookie DAO today. Hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it, my friends. It is, sorry if that was a loud noise there. It is the 7th day of July, and here we are with 6 days, 8 hours, 7.5 hours left in the week. It's a brand new week, right? 7 hours, 32 minutes left in this day here. Looking like we do want to go lower. It's looking like the lower price targets are inevitable at this point in time, and I think we're going to throw back that golden ratio retracement here from a low to a high. 13.2 cents is a very probable area, but I will address also we haven't really shown respect on these fibs at all for whatever reason. It's just some charts just respect fibs more than others. Well, for whatever reason, that's just the case. Different trading algorithms, different people trading it, like it's just different. Low to high here. We performed pretty well with that 2272 there, but we didn't really even respect like any of these fibs here. We just ripped all the way up to that. I mean, that's a normal reaction, but everything else was just disrespected, disregarded entirely. Resistance on the way down at the golden ratio here. Resistance on the way down, resistance at the golden ratio as well. I would think that we go lower. I would think we do. If we're looking at this here on the daily time frame, the RSI, it actually kind of looks like it wants to move higher, if I'm being honest, and maybe it does. You've broken out of your downtrend. You're moving sideways now, but maybe you return to the oversold zone before you actually start moving back up again, right? You form like a higher low to give you a higher high from, to come back and form a higher low from. You've got your like parallel channel setting up, something like that. I would think you go a little bit lower. And again, I got sidetracked, but with everything in mind, low here to a high there, that was good respect to the 0.5, honestly. Right here, that's not really respecting the fibs at all. Right here, that's not really respecting the fibs at all. I would say, and this is not respecting the fibs at all, I would say that just because the golden ratio is down here, maybe we shouldn't actually consider that as a target. I mean, we should consider it as a target, 13.28 cents to 11.8 cents. We should consider it as a target. But whenever we weigh the amount of drop that would be, right? I mean, that's 17% to 26%. That's kind of heavy, in my opinion. That's kind of heavy. So something a little bit above there, maybe right in line with these prior lows, it's very possible. Something that's just below 15 cents could come our way yet again. If you missed it on the last attempt there, you might get another attempt here to buy just below 15 cents, maybe just above 14 cents. But if we go lower, it's really not a big deal, like lower than what we're talking about. We're going lower. We're probably going to go lower from here, but I just mean lower than what I'm talking about. I doubt we go below 11 point whatever cents that was. What price was that? 11.8. I doubt we even go like below 13 cents, honestly, but or even down there. But it could happen. You never know. I want to look at this on a 1 hour time frame. 1 hour RSI, picking up volume as we're moving down. Nice to see. If you're looking for the price to come down, which I am because I'm looking to buy some more. Double resistance, triple resistance here at the oversold area or overbought area. I mean, triple top right there. Looking like you want to come down. Rejecting the 50 every step along the way. You probably find a little support here and then continue to drop right in this kind of channel until you find some bullish divergence. You get a higher low, and then you'll start to transition maybe later this week, Wednesday, Thursday, something in that kind of time frame, and start moving back up. But I would expect we go a little bit lower from here. That's what the 1 hour RSI is telling me, and the price as well. 4 hour time frame, the 4 hour RSI looking neutral. It's actually very neutral. It's not really bullish or bearish, right? Overbought rejection, couldn't even get oversold. That's kind of bullish. Overbought rejection, oversold rejection, neutral, neutral, neutral. I mean, you're just waiting to pick a direction, man. You get below the 40, you're absolutely going to go below the oversold zone. And if you do that, you're going to go below this low here. So just anticipate prices below 15 cents. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but if I was looking to buy this thing, let me rephrase that. I am looking to buy this thing, and I'm waiting for it to go lower. But if I was looking to buy this thing and I had no cookie DAO at all, I would at least DCA here. I've already got a good stack of cookie. I got a fat cookie stack, so I'm not worried about it if it just takes off. If it goes up from here and I was planning on buying lower, oh well. But if this was a speculative thing that I was trying to invest in, I don't know, a speculative asset that I'm trying to invest in, and I didn't have any of it, I wouldn't play the game. I would just get in and just wait, sit through the pain. At least DCA, maybe put like 25% in here, 25% in there. If it goes lower, throw the rest of the load in there. I don't know. Whatever you want to do. None of that's financial advice. Just do whatever you want to do. But that's just my thoughts. If I wasn't invested at all, I would feel the need to get involved right here. Just because, what if I'm wrong? What if this doesn't happen and it just rips through the roof? Cookie does cookie things, man. What if this happens and you don't have any at all. So now you FOMO the top, and then this happens, even worse, right? So just don't. I don't know. Do what you want to do. Don't listen to me. But 4-hour time frame looking like it wants to go down a little bit as well. I mean, I guess I can't even say that. It's really pretty damn neutral. But with the 1-hour time frame in mind, I would say that it does look like it wants to go down. Rejecting the 60, you're slowly getting more bearish here with these lower highs. I wouldn't say you're getting more bullish, even though, yes, you do have higher lows, because this, if anything, you are getting more bearish, too, with the lower lows, too. You saw the oversold zone where here you weren't. I think you're transitioning into a bearish phase. We'll see. We'll see. Before, all these other peaks were above the 60. This one rejected the 60. So will you hold the 40 or the 35 this time? I'm not anticipating that. I would think you go lower. Daily time frame here. Looking like it wants to bearishly engulf, and that's cool. A little bit lower on the daily RSI. That's not a big deal. Go down, find support at the 30, the 45. Areas that you like to find support at, areas that you like to find resistance at. Go to the oversold zone. Hell, it's all good. Double bottom right there, and then you'll continue to rip. You might form an exact replica here of what you had last time. It's just a little horizontal channel, a little bit more tighter at the bottom here. And then from there, whenever we break out, going into the end of the month, you guys, we should be seeing new relative highs. Not new all-time, I mean, maybe new all-time highs by the end of the month, but I'm anticipating that we'll see new relative highs, something that's above 36 cents. We're at 16 cents now, so high here, low there, golden ratio below the 382. It's just so weird, so volatile. But again, it hasn't really respected the FIP, so I'm not going to way too high on that. Just the significant levels for whatever reason. You might just rip right all the way up to 63 cents to 50 cents by the end of the month. That's kind of my expectation, if not higher, okay? This is my expectation, if not higher. And let's just see on that note, where are these extensions at, high to low? Golden ratios right there at 65 cents. I could really see us hitting 65 cents by the end of the month. Again, we're not really showing too much respect on these fibs, but the significant levels are, and that golden ratio extension, it's a significant level, both as a golden ratio, as a 886, and as a weekly closing all-time high. It's pretty significant. So I think 65 cents is where we're going to go. We're at 16 cents now. And then, of course, past that, $1.65, $3.90 sometime in August. I got nothing else for you guys. It's the same old song and dance. Keep on singing, keep on dancing. I'll see you on the next one. Hit the like button, subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.